So let me tell you a little bit about patreon.com/thedevonartist. There's currently over 80 hours of video tuition for you. There's also tips and tricks videos, full-length art videos, a PDF document which will go with that video, the outline drawing, the reference photograph, but most of all let me show you all my techniques from my 40 years of painting wildlife. For the $10 level you get access to all of that catalogue of video tutorials going back for well over 1.5 years. Also bear in mind that I produce a brand new video tutorial every month. You can cancel your donation whenever you want, you can downgrade it, you can upgrade it to a different tier. Now I've also got a companion page which will help you navigate Patreon and locate the information and tutorials that you want to find. I've also got a Facebook group which you gain access to when you become a member. So all you need to do is visit www.patreon.com/thedevonartist. I'll see you there.